Mini PCs, big performance in a small package. Mini PCs are the ultimate solution for anyone wanting big performance in a small package. Compact, versatile, and powerful, they're ideal for everything from work to entertainment. However, choosing the right mini PC can be tricky because not all of them are created equal. That's why in today's video we're putting two of the best options head-to-head. Apple's M4 Mac Mini and ASUS's PN64-E1 Mini PC. Both these devices deliver a mix of portability and power, but they cater to different types of users. From design and performance to connectivity and upgradability, we'll break down every aspect that matters to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed choice. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The M4 Mac Mini is unmistakably Apple, showcasing their commitment to clean, minimalist aesthetics. Crafted from unibody aluminum, the Mac Mini feels robust and exudes a premium vibe that's hard to match. Its sleek square design allows it to blend seamlessly into any environment. Whether it's a modern office, a cozy home setup, or even a high-end media center. The ASUS PN64-E1, on the other hand, adopts a more functional design approach. It's notably smaller and lighter than the Mac Mini, which makes it even easier to tuck away or carry around. While it uses a mix of plastic and metal, it still feels solid and dependable, even if it doesn't have the same luxurious finish as Apple's offering. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces or users who need a portable workstation on the go. When it comes to portability, both devices deliver, but their design philosophies cater to different audiences. The Mac Mini appeals to users who value a polished, professional look that complements their workspace. Meanwhile, the ASUS PN64-E1 prioritizes practicality and ease of use, which makes it a great fit for those who need flexibility without compromising on durability. Now let's talk performance. Performance is the heart of any mini PC, and both these devices shine, albeit in different ways. The M4 Mac Mini is powered by Apple's latest M4 chip, an 8-core CPU paired with a 10-core GPU. This combination offers incredible speed and efficiency, especially for creative professionals. Whether you're editing videos in Final Cut Pro, designing graphics in Photoshop, or even indulging in some light gaming, the Mac Mini delivers a smooth, lag-free experience. Plus, Apple's custom silicon is incredibly energy efficient, which means it stays cool and whisper quiet, even under heavy workloads. On the flip side, the ASUS PN64-E1 is equipped with Intel's 13th Gen Y7 13700H processor. This chip is a multitasking beast, capable of handling multiple resource-intensive applications simultaneously. For power users who frequently run virtual machines, edit 4K videos, or crunch massive datasets, this processor is a game-changer. The ability to support up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM adds even more flexibility, making it an excellent choice for demanding workflows. When we dive into benchmarks, the M4 chip excels in single-core performance, which makes it unbeatable for snappy, everyday tasks and applications that rely heavily on single-threaded processing. On the other hand, the ASUS PN64-E1 dominates in multi-core performance, giving it the edge for tasks that require serious multitasking power. So, what's the takeaway? If you prioritize speed and responsiveness for tasks like web browsing, basic productivity, or creative work, the Mac Mini is a fantastic choice. But if your workload involves juggling multiple heavy-duty apps or intensive processing, the ASUS PN64-E1 is the clear winner. Next, let's talk about connectivity, an area where the differences between these two mini PCs become even more apparent. The M4 Mac Mini offers a streamlined selection of ports: 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, 1 HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a headphone jack. This setup is clean and covers most standard needs. However, if you rely on a variety of peripherals, you might find this selection somewhat limiting. The ASUS PN64-E1, in contrast, goes above and beyond. It not only matches the Mac Mini with its 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and HDMI port, but also adds 2 extra USB-A ports, a display port, and even a configurable port for additional HDMI or Ethernet connections. This makes the ASUS PN64-E1 ideal for users who work with multiple monitors, external drives, or specialized equipment. Whether you're a minimalist or someone who needs a robust hub of connections, these two devices cater to different needs. The Mac Mini is perfect for those who prefer a plug-and-play experience, while the ASUS PN64-E1's extensive connectivity is a dream for power users. When it comes to storage, the Mac Mini offers configurations ranging from 256 GB to 2 TB SSDs. While this range is more than enough for many users, the catch is that Apple's hardware is non-upgradable. The storage and RAM you choose at the time of purchase are locked in, so you'll need to plan your needs carefully. The ASUS PN64-E1, however, takes a completely different approach. It features 2 M.2 SSD slots and a 2.5-inch drive bay, giving you the freedom to expand your storage over time. Additionally, it supports up to 64 GB of upgradable RAM, making it a future-proof option for users who anticipate their needs growing over time. If you value flexibility and want a device that can evolve with your requirements, the ASUS PN64-E1 is the clear choice. However, if you prefer the simplicity of an all-in-one solution with no upgrades required, the Mac Mini delivers a polished experience out of the box. Another major consideration is the operating system. The Mac Mini runs macOS, Apple's proprietary operating system known for its polished interface and seamless integration with other Apple devices. If you're already part of the Apple ecosystem, features like handoff, AirDrop, and universal control make the Mac Mini an easy choice. The ASUS PN64-E1, on the other hand, offers the flexibility of Windows 11 or Linux. Windows 11 is versatile, with excellent support for gaming, productivity, and compatibility with a wide range of software. Linux, meanwhile, provides unmatched customization options, making it a favorite among developers and tech enthusiasts. Choosing between macOS and Windows Linux comes down to your personal needs. Are you a creative professional or a loyal Apple user? macOS might be the perfect fit. Prefer gaming, development, or customization? Windows or Linux on the ASUS PN64-E1 is the way to go. Finally, let's address pricing. The M4 Mac Mini starts at $599, but with upgraded storage and RAM, it can easily exceed $1,000. You're paying for Apple's sleek design, premium build quality, and integration with the Apple ecosystem. The ASUS PN64-E1, starting at $699, might seem slightly more expensive at first glance. However, when you consider its superior port selection, upgradability, and customizable storage options, it offers exceptional value for users who want a long-term, adaptable machine. Ultimately, both the M4 Mac Mini and ASUS PN64-E1 Mini PC are excellent options, but they cater to very different users. The Mac Mini is a sleek, polished, and reliable choice for those who value simplicity and seamless integration with Apple devices. On the other hand, the ASUS PN64-E1 is a powerhouse of flexibility and performance, ideal for tech-savvy users who need a machine that can grow and adapt with their needs. So, which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.